What's going on, guys? Welcome back. You've got Finder of Greatness here, and I found some greatness because that's what I do. Found it this morning. Just wanted to show it to you guys. I think it's pretty cool. As you can see here, I paid $10 this morning. It looks like just a normal case. That remote's there just to kind of hold it open for me. So, this dates to the 1920s. And what this is this is a salesman's kit for the Royce products. Royce quality products. They did perfumes, toilet flavoring, and household. Can you imagine that? They make toilet requisites, perfume, flavoring, and household specialties all under the same roof. They were located in Cleveland, Ohio, and this is a product salesman's book, which is pretty rare. And here you've got the order sale packet, and I found this form, and on the bottom it has the date of 1927. It says this is not good after August 31st, 1927. So this is probably from the mid to late 20s. I thought it was pretty neat. There's a paper label, original bottle, the Abner Royce Company. And this bottle without the label, I've seen them sell for $15. So it was worth buying if I just wanted to sell that one bottle. This is pretty neat. This is an original, shake it open, original perfume bottle. Royce Perfume, Cleveland. Still has the stopper, and it's all in great shape. And if you were to open this, you can smell it. My wife opened it earlier, and you can still smell some of the smell, so that's pretty neat. Then you've got a Royce talc. Back in the day, talc was a pretty common used thing. I don't know if anybody else these days uses it. Probably old timers. And then you've got all these little awesome bottles. Really impressive. I thought these were cool because they have the glass stoppers, and that's their perfume. Someone took great care to pack these up real nice before they donated them or stored them away. Pineapple flavoring extract. I'm not sure about this one. Like, what in the world? Says toilet water. Lilac. So I don't know if they were actually using scented toilet water back then to cut down the smell. Kind of like today, we use a thing called One Drop, which does the same thing. But looks like this company had a pretty good business. How cool is that? All the glass bottles, right there. Looks like we're probably missing maybe 2 or 3, but 95 years old. That's pretty cool that much of it made it. So that's a salesman's kit for the Royce Company. And there's our talc that we took out right there, right in the catalog. That's pretty neat. How cool is that? All right. I just wanted to share that with you guys. We got a real rainy day today and didn't have much going on, but I found this and thought it was cool. So come back and see what next video I upload. Have a good one.